From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 17th problem of WAEC 2025 Maths OBJ says, solve d squared minus 4d minus 96 equals 0. This is just quadratic equation, and we have so many ways, at least 4 ways of solving it. Let's use factorization method here. We look for two numbers such that when you multiply it, you get minus 96, and when you add it together, you get minus 4. That's the coefficient. And so, two numbers such that the product is minus 96 and the sum is minus 4. Two numbers that come to mind will be 8 and 12. Now, how do we put the sign? Since we have negative here, it tells us that one of these must be negative. So which should be negative? Since we have negative here, that means the negative will be on the bigger one, so that the smaller one minus the bigger one will give rise to a negative number. So this will be negative. And so we substitute it here. Since the coefficient here is 1, you can easily write it as, open your bracket, d equals 0. You just put it plus 8 minus 12. So for this product to be 0, their individual term have to be 0. So d plus 8 equals 0, or d minus 12 equals 0. So if you take to the right hand side, d will be minus 8 and d will be 12. So our correct answer is C. Thank you for watching.